Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have a new video. Today we will talk about monitoring in distributed systems. And before we talk about monitoring, we have this distributed system, like distributed system as an example. So let's just go through a quick review on this system, and after that let's talk about what we will add to it when we add monitoring. So we have this system. We have CDN here. The CDN's purpose is a content delivery network, and its purpose is to deliver the static assets in a faster way to the user to improve the user experience. We have the DNS domain name system, and the DNS its purpose is to transform the domain name human friendly readable domain names to IP address. Like for example, we transform google.com or youtube.com to the IP address of the actual load balancer. We have the load balancer, which is responsible for distributing all the incoming requests across all the web servers. The web servers here, they are responsible for making read-write requests to the database, and we have the database here. Maybe you could have cache, maybe you have message queue, but for the simplicity of the video, we just add database and that's it. And after that, we have automation, logging, and metrics, and we talked about them in the videos, why we need each one of them. And right now we want to talk about the monitoring and what this will add to the system. So basically, monitoring in the distributed system is a practice of continuous observing and measuring the performance, the health, and the behavior of various components and services within distributed computing environment. This process involves collecting data, metrics, and logs from multiple sources, analyzing this information and present it in in actionable format. It helps to identify the reliability and detecting any issues. So by adding the monitoring, basically we can detect any issues. We can detect the issues because monitoring helps identifying abnormal behavior, errors, or performance bottleneck in real time, and it allows operators and administrators to detect and address issues before they escalate into major problems. Also, it's a great to ensure reliability because its distributed systems often consist of numerous interconnected components that need to work together seamlessly. Monitoring basically ensures that all these components are functioning correctly and that systems as a whole reliable system. Also, it's a great in performance optimization because monitoring provides insights into the performance of the individual services and overall system. By analyzing performance metrics, you can identify areas for optimization and resources allocation improvements. Also, it's a great in the scalability management, like in the distributed systems. The distributed system needs to scale resources dynamically to handle changing workloads. Monitoring helps you understand resources usage patterns and determine when and how to scale components. Also, it's a great in the capacity planning, like monitoring data assets in capacity planning by providing historical usage trends and forecasting future resources. Also, it's a great in security and complaints because monitoring helps detect any security threats, unusual access patterns, or unauthorized activities in real time. So as you can see right now, monitoring, it's really important and it's really a big part in any distributed system, and it's a must to have when you have a big just such as a big as distributed system as this one. So that's it for today's video, and that's it about monitoring, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problems.